everybody, it's Carolyn from Homesteading Family. Are you ready for egg season? That's right, it's almost spring, and those of us who have chickens know what spring means. It means a lot of eggs in the kitchen. On the other hand, there's that winter time where you have almost no eggs. I know how frustrating it can be to have a ton of eggs in the spring and you're trying to give them away and eat as many as you can. And then come winter time, all of a sudden you have no eggs and you find yourself buying both chicken feed and store-bought eggs. So I wrote a 15-page guide on preserving your eggs so that you can even out your egg supply over the whole year. In this guide, there are 8 different techniques that you can use to preserve your eggs from the spring all the way through to the winter. Most of these techniques are hundreds of years old, but they still work great today. So click the link in the description and get your free copy of my 15-page guide, Preserving Eggs. Thank you guys.